Hello, so today we are in Tunisia, got this lovely backdrop, and today we're going to be comparing the DSLR with the intervalometer and an iPhone and an Apple Watch. The DSLR and the intervalometer, you can take photos every 2 seconds, that's how we've set it up, and then with the phone it connects to the Apple Watch and you go like this and it triggers the phone to take a photo after 3 seconds. So it's kind of like a shutter release similar to the intervalometer. Recently we've kind of thought that the iPhone's actually really good at taking photos, and we don't know whether or not to continue taking the DSLR on holiday with us because it's a lot of stuff.
A lot of gear.
Not only do you have to take a massive tripod, you have to take the intervalometer, you have to take CF cards, a CF card reader,
batteries,
your laptop,
chargers,
battery charger. It's a lot of stuff, whereas with the phone it's just your phone charger and this. We're going to test that out now. Let us know what you think in the comments.
So here are the two images. I won't tell you which one's which first. What I want you to do is tell me which one you prefer in the comments below. I'll give you a second. You can either pause this video or make your decision super fast and I'll tell you in 30 seconds. The time's up. So, did you leave your comments in the box below? The one on the left is the iPhone and the one on the right is the DSLR. I tried to match the editing as close as possible on these, but it was a bit tricky. Presets on Lightroom on your mobile are slightly different to presets on Lightroom on your computer. So, slightly different, but I've tried to match it as close as possible. I know this is controversial, but I prefer the one on the left, which is the iPhone. I think it's brighter, which is better for Instagram, which is where I post most of my photography at the moment. Does this mean that I think iPhones are better than DSLRs? Absolutely not. If you're a wedding photographer, no way should you turn up with an iPhone. If, like me, you sell prints, then yes, you need to use a DSLR. You cannot use a phone. DSLRs are also great for headshots or for portraits. iPhones simply cannot compare to DSLRs when we're talking about aperture, which is what you can see in this image where my face is in focus and the background is all blurred out. Also, we've done some nighttime photography in the past and made some really great time lapses that the iPhone simply couldn't achieve. Will I just be taking my phone on my next holiday? Maybe. Honestly, don't see why not. It's a lot less equipment, a lot less hassle, and when it's quite a short trip or you're mostly by the pool all day, you don't really need a DSLR. If you're going on some kind of safari or some adventure holiday, maybe take the DSLR in case you want to capture the sights, the animals, the culture over there. If you're just taking quite laid back shots, then I really don't see why you couldn't just take your iPhone instead of the DSLR.
Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments which photo you prefer. Do you prefer the DSLR? Do you prefer the iPhone? And we will see you next Sunday at 6:30.
Yes, we will.
Bye.
Bye.